Hey guys, this is the unboxing of the Logitech Z533. I just got this on a Black Friday deal and I got it for 50 bucks. That was a great price. I really needed some new speakers. You can kind of see those old speakers I have, and they're really old. They were made from like 2000. They're super old, and I've been using that to hear any of my sound on my desk, which you probably already saw. And in this box is finally new speakers. This is the box for the new speakers. These are so much smaller compared to the old ones. Those things took up so much space on my desk. I'm happy to get new speakers. Anything I was gonna get would have been so much better compared to those. Those are super old. So this is the setup. As you can see, the it shows you how to connect it. It comes with two speakers, a wire, a subwoofer, which this speakers I have don't have a subwoofer. And this has a dial for the sound and bass and other things like that, volume that I really like. I have it on my keyboard over here, which is an old Dell keyboard, but right here, this is the stuff. I really like this. All right, I finally figured out a way to get the speakers out. It's all put together in like one cardboard box within a box, and you can just gently take this out. Even with two hands at this angle I got, it's a little hard. All right, so we got right here, I got it some out of the box. Here's the dial. It's kind of a puck style. It has a plug for headphones right here, and I think aux in. I like this. Ooh, speakers are in here. They're kind of small, but you know, I got these because they save a lot of space on my desk. What else is in the box? Is anything else in there? No? Nope. Okay, that's empty. Okay, let's see. The wire and the puck goes over here. It's probably laying down. Ooh, yeah, I have it laying down. You can see all the plugs right here. So you could use it for your game system, TV, whatever, if you know how to correctly connect it. These are inputs, these are outputs. These are for the speakers. The outputs go to the left and right channel of the speakers. And I like that. I'm gonna be using this for my computer. It's a 3.5 jack. I kind of want to see how this sounds already. I'm curious. I've never had like speakers that had a good subwoofer. Subwoofer? And with this unboxing, I'm gonna review it, or at least like a preview video, a first look, you know, those types of videos where they show you how they're liking it. If you want to check that video out, that's gonna be in the description. And if you want to check out the product, it's also in the description. And it's up in that corner up there. You could click that to see that video whenever it's out. But look at that. Look at this. It's kind of a bit heavy. There's the hole for the acoustics, the subwoofer panel on the side, the audio. It comes with some feet, 4 feet, and the top's flat. I'm putting this under my desk and waking up the neighbors because it's going to be really loud. Power right here is just a 2-jack, 2-prong plug. Let's see, and here's the puck again. Yeah, let's get that out of here. Yes, let's get this guy. I remember trying this in the store like a few days after I bought it. It was there, it was at a Best Buy, and it's like, ooh, I really liked how the puck was. All right, so we got the puck right here. Ooh, it's a little dirty right here, which I could probably clean it. You got it right here. What does it got? Headphone jack, aux, okay, cool. Could plug in other things. And right here, they got the bass switch right here. It is about in the middle. Ooh, it is so smooth. Oh, I wish you could feel that. It is so smooth. Like, it's really smooth. So it's gonna lay there on your flat on your desk, probably like this. And you got this too, this dial. It also moves so smooth. Not as smooth as the other one, but it's still just so buttery. It feels like a great analog roller. Ooh, and it doesn't go infinitely. There's always like, this is probably all the way loud, and this is probably all the way like low volume. I'm gonna like this on my desk, even though I'm still gonna have the other one on the keyboard still there. I'll be using both. So there's probably a light for power here, and there's a felt pad on the bottom. And then now you would just put this one on the floor, connect the cables, and this I'll be putting on my desk, plugging it in. I am now gonna just put this aside. I'm gonna open the speakers. I didn't know they were gonna be this small, but I'm fine with it because this is gonna be better than what I had. Espanol, Logitech. They are small. It's a little smaller than, bigger than my hand. Sorry, wrong one. And here is the plug. This is a RCA type plug. I mean, it's blue, color coordinated. This whole system is color coordinated between these two. They give you a little cable around here, 3.5 to 3.5, male. The same thing over here. It's just a different color. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is big L right here for left channel, and then the other one is the right. Felt pads at the bottom. It is so smooth. I want to leave the plastic on, like this bottom part, for it to last as long, because this is like gloss plastic. It's gonna get scratched after a while. I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm just gonna play around with to see if I play the speakers, it'll pop out. But yeah, I would not leave that. I would not recommend leaving that. Yeah, so that's the speaker right there compared to the speaker over here to the subwoofer. Subwoofer compared to it, look at it, it's huge. So you're gonna get some subwoofer power. Let's get these. I'm using a wide angle lens, so everything get put up to it is gonna look big. But yes, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna now set this up, so I'll see you on a different angle. Well, as you can see right here, this is the desk. This is the desk without the old speakers anymore, and look how much space I've gained. There's so much, like, this would have been the speaker right here, this whole area over there as well, and just look, it's this tiny thing. I just gained so much more desk space, it's crazy. I have up there, I probably might even bring it down here. This one, that's fine right there. This knob right here, I actually have this system right here to still control volume, but I'm gonna be messing with this. I could put my headphones right here, so I don't even have to plug it in the back of the computer, which I've had had to split my audio from like 2 different ways. It was a little confusing, but now it's like I could do it all from here, volume, everything, be so much easier, and I just saved so much space. So if you guys are thinking about checking the product, it's in the description. It's also in the top corner of the video. Check it out. Other video about this is in the top corner. Yeah, and if you're thinking of buying it, the links are in the description. It is a pretty good sounding speaker. I like it so far. So much space. It fits with kind of what I'm trying to go with in this desk. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to check out my other videos, some other tech reviews, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys around. Bye.